Hello, my name is Chiara and today I will be talking about the app called Inshot. Inshot is an editing app in which you can create and edit videos, photos and collages. There are tons of options to edit on Inshot and it's really simple to use. I'm going to be going through some of these options. For videos, you can choose a video or photos to make your video out of. You can change durations and the speeds of the videos or images and split them as well. You can duplicate or crop clips or images and rotate, flip or freeze it for however long you want. PIP or picture-in-picture is adding another video or image to the main clip. You can insert text, change its fonts and color and insert stickers. You can insert a background music or record voiceovers. For photos, you can add filters and effects and even adjust things like the light or saturation. You can add stickers and text here as well. There are also many formats to make collages as well. Inshot is a great editing app to use for any kind of creating and is actually really easy to use. Thank you.